Interviews.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Interviews are awesome, inspiring, knowledgeable, entertaining, and sometimes controversial. The increase in the platforms of media have made it new normal to access the super successful people, ask them questions, know about their lifestyle, learn from their mistakes, and most important, get inspired.
Let's begin now.
I am talking about interviews on all platforms, be it a video, podcast, Instagram Live, or any possible way of communication. If I had to tell you top 5 interviews of my lifetime, that's not possible. Because 19% of total videos on YouTube are about people and blogs. 500 hours of videos are uploaded on YouTube every hour. That's insane. More opportunities, more videos, and hence more interviews. In last 1 week, I personally have watched 5 interviews, had listened to more than 12 podcasts, came across 5 to 6 Instagram and live interviews every day, where my followers are just around 200. Might be I see a change after plugging it here. Follow me at The Spirited Monkey on Instagram. Getting back to the video, the point is there is too much of content. So what I could suggest you are the top 5 interviews of recent time. Might be a month old or a year or a decade. Basically from those which I can recall. At number 5 is AIB podcast featuring Shahrukh Khan. अब AIB वो है जिसने entertainment interview का पूरा scene change कर दिया. I know almost every single of you might have watched it, but this recommendation is for those who have not. Why do I like this interview? Of course, the witty Shahrukh Khan. This person can please anyone in front of him, irrespective of age, sex, success, with just his sheer presence of mind. But for me, most of this interview was Shahrukh's answer to his haters and some annoying followers. It's available on YouTube, do check it out, and also I'll link down the interview in the description of this video. The reason I've included this interview in this list is because it's a new way of interview.
प्रोटेक्ट करने आते हैं कि इससे ज़्यादा एक्टिंग नहीं होती इनसे, बट आई रियली एंजॉय.
Number 4 on this list is podcast interview of Toto Wolff by Nico Rosberg. Now just to give you the context, both of them are from Formula 1. I personally find Formula 1 very interesting and hence the people. So I like to listen to the stories and the behind the scenes of Formula 1 world. Now getting back to the interview. Toto Wolff is the team principal of Mercedes AMG Petronas Formula 1 team. Team principal is like a college dean. He takes care of all the departments of Formula 1 team. And Nico Rosberg was a Formula 1 driver who drove for Mercedes and won the 2016 championship. In this interview, Nico interviews Toto Wolff about his journey from a banker to a team principal of Formula 1 team. The anecdotes of business mind of Toto Wolff is something what interested me a lot. Check this interview out on Nico Rosberg's YouTube channel. Also, I'll link down in the description.
You are more than a racing boss. You are an entrepreneur at heart, really. And that's your. Oh, so the Toto's phone is just gone. So if there's some quiet periods in this podcast, please don't worry. It's Toto checking lap time.
Number 3 on the list is Scoop Whoop's Town Hall featuring Tigmanshu Dhulia. He's an artist. Storytelling is his job, and you will find out why he's so good at his job just by watching this interview. What actually are the struggling days of filmmaker? What all he has to go through while making a film? How he faces the tantrums of superstars? And I'll not reveal much and ruin it for you. Go watch it on YouTube. It's a treat to watch.
ये प्रॉब्लम है. ऑडियंस इधर क्यों नहीं है, पीछे क्यों?
ये
क्या
बहुत
चल रहा है?
एक सेकंड अब रुक जाओ. ये बहुत अच्छा सवाल है और हमें टोकती भी है ऑडियंस कमेंट्स में. मुझे नहीं पता. ये मैं आपको बताऊं तिग्मांशु जी.
Number 2 is my honest journey to 200 crores. I mean, not my journey. It's an interview hosted by Ranveer from Beer Biceps, who is interviewing Harshil Karia about his journey, about his life, and how he set up a humongous business, and so on. It's a very interesting journey right from the streets of the Mumbai to expanding the business worldwide. Some wrong decisions, regrets, unsure paths, but a sure goal. This interview impressed me a lot. It's on YouTube channel called Beer Biceps, and also, of course, I'll link it down in the description.
It starts the process of questioning things. And then what happened really is that, you know, you take that through college, and I was taking that through college. So what happened with college is that...
Last and my most favorite, Harsha Bhogle on commentary and broadcast. You know GK, right? Gaurav Kapoor. What a host. Mighty. He hosts a podcast called 22 Yarns on Spotify. It's about cricket. Harsha Bhogle on broadcast and commentary is one of the best episodes on this podcast. Two India's best chatters keep you so engaged in the conversation that you feel that tension a broadcaster might be going through while a live telecast. If not the above four, make sure that you check this out and thank me later.
Talk about commentary and broadcast because it's such an integral part, right? I mean, if you talk to the average Joe in the street, they're watching it now with 30 cameras. They watched it ever since they were kids. There's nothing really that you can teach them about cricket, right? So it's storytelling. They want the stories. They want the insight. They want something that they've not thought of.
That's all from Swanky Monkey for this episode. If you like this video, please don't forget to share it, and you know the drill. Peace out.